been up in smoke. I can see it miles down the road. I'ma keep going for the gold. Only question, which way do I go? Everything been up in smoke. I can see it miles down the road. I'ma keep going for the gold. Only question, which way do I go? Hey, I've been on the road. Got a baddie on the line. I think it's time that we toast. To me, getting better with time. Yeah, I'm better by myself. Been 7 damn times. Can't take me down. They tried like several times. In a different type of zone. That be why I'm on the fine. Gotta roll up all the smoke so I can try and clear my mind. I cannot recline until I see a million saying mine. Count the number one and multiply it to a number I can count. And I'm just living for my people, making sure we make it out. Blood on the ink, while the lines like ouch. Rough in the streets, but it's better than the couch. Gotta get up on your ass, show the world what you about. I need to do something fast, cause my pocket's in a drought. Got my foot all on the gas, trying to figure out the route. Me and level, I'm levitate. Time to levitate. Me and level 8. Hey, time to levitate. I'm on level 8. Me and level 8. Hey. Fishing for a way out, but the line broke. How the fuck I ask you where my mind go? I know they be loving the way that I flow. Baby, you will be suffocating in my smoke. Still trying to get high though. Tell me how much you got on the bottle, cause I just been bottling problems, ducking and dodging in hopes that they'll be gone tomorrow. May I borrow your ear for a second? Cause I've been battling depression, balancing these lessons while I'm taking these L's. They say it's bad for my mental, all the shit I've been through. Can't you tell? Need to move away from this hell. In a rude state awake, and few shades of hatred. The only thing they do well, they can't spit, they ain't real, they ain't shit, they